हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, राणा अकॅडमीमध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आपण स्टार्ट केली आहे नीट 2021-2022चं प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सिरीज, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं आतापर्यंत फिजिक्स पहिल्यांदा पाहिलं, त्याच्यानंतर केमिस्ट्री पाहिली, त्यानंतर आता पाहणार आहोत आपण बॉटनी आणि बायोलॉजीमध्ये बॉटनी पाहणार आहोत, त्याच्यानंतर झुलॉजीचा पेपर पाहू. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया. लास्टपर्यंत तुम्ही राहण्याचा प्रयत्न करा ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये, कारण ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला आन्सर की पण भेटून जाईल आणि सोल्युशन पण भेटून जाईल की का ह्याचं उत्तर असंच का आलं आहे हे पण तुम्हाला माहिती होऊन जाईल. तर चला तर मग स्टार्ट करूया व्हिडिओला. बायोलॉजीचा बॉटनी सेक्शन ए 101 क्वेश्चन नंबर 101. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इन मेथड ऑफ एक्स सितू कन्झर्वेशन. तर कोणती एक्स सितू कन्झर्वेशनची मेथड नाही आहे? इन विट्रो फर्टिलायझेशन, नॅशनल पार्क्स, मायक्रो प्रोपोगेशन, क्रायोप्रिझर्वेशन. कोणती एक्स सितू कन्झर्वेशनची मेथड नाही आहे? यार एक्स सितू कन्झर्वेशन, नॅशनल पार्क्स ही एक्स सितू कन्झर्वेशनची मेथड नाही आहे. नॅशनल पार्क्स ही इन सितू कन्झर्वेशनची मेथड आहे. चला तर मग पाहूया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 102. आयडेंटिफाय द करेक्ट सेट ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स. Identify the correct statements. First, the leaflets are modified into pointed hard thorns in citrus and bougainvillea. Statement second, auxiliary buds form slender and spirally coiled dendrites in cucumber and pumpkin. Statement third, stem is flattened and fleshy and an open shear and modified to perform the function of leaves. Statement fourth, the rhizophora shows vertically upward growing roots that help to get oxygen for respiration. Statement 5, subaerially growing stems in grasses and strawberry help in vegetative propagation. Choose the following answers. Choose the following correct answer. याचं उत्तर आहे 3, 1, B, C, D आणि E हे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स आहेत. ए स्टेटमेंट ही फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट आहे. चला तर मग क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. गिवन बिलो द टू स्टेटमेंट्स. Statement 1, decomposition is a process in which the dendrites is degraded into simpler substances by its microbes. Statement second, decomposition is faster if the ostraceous rich in or the lignin and chitin. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Answer is 3. Question number 104. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from chlorophyllaceae and phaeophyllaceae and rhodophyllaceae only, phaeophyllaceae only. त्याचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे 3, rhodophyllaceae only. Question number 105. Which one of the following plants shows axillary vestivation and of didelphous stamens? Answer is 2, Pisum sativum. Question number 106. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Answer is 2, Laotrix and Manitor. Question number 107. The process of translation of mRNA to proteins begins as soon as. Answer is first, the small subunits of ribosome encounter mRNA. Question number 108. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1, magnesium, boron, iron. List 2, activates the enzyme catalyze required for pollen germination, activates enzyme of respiration, functions in splitting of water during photosynthesis. Answer is 2, A4, manganese, functions of splitting and of water during photosynthesis. B, third, Magnesium activates enzymes for respiration. C1. Boron activates the enzyme catalase. Fourth, D1. D1. Iron activates the enzyme catalase. Boron required for pollen germination. तर ह्याचा आन्सर आहे 2. 108 क्वेश्चन नंबरचा आन्सर आहे 2. चला तर मग क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 109. विच ऑफ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नेवर ऑकर्स ड्युरिंग मायोटिक सेल डिव्हिजन. तर याचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे 3. पेअरिंग ऑफ होमोलोगस क्रोमोझोम्स. Question number 110. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants is photophenol pyruvate and is found in the mesophyll cells. Statement 2. Mesophyll cells of C4 plants lack Rubisco enzyme. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 111. Which one of the following is not true regarding the release of energy during ATP synthesis through chemoosmosis involves? So that's answer is 2. The breakdown of electron gradient. Question number 112. Habitat loss and fragmentation over exploitation and exploitation arises, species inversion and co-extinction are causes for. Answer आहे 3. Biodiversity loss. Question number 113. What is the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid? Answer आहे 2. Answer है 3. Question number 114. Girdling experiment was performed by plant physiologists to identify the plant tissues through which. The answer है 2. Food is transported. Question number 115. Which of the following is not observed during apoplastic pathway? Answer आहे 3. The movement is aided by cytoplasmic streaming. Question number 116. Which one of the following plants does not show plasticity? Answer आहे 4. Maize. Maize plants does not show plasticity. Question number 117. DNA polymorphism forms the basis of both genetic mapping and DNA fingerprinting. Question number 118. Exotypes of sex determination can be found in. Answer आहे 3. Grasshopper. Question number 119. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. तो assertion पाहूया. Polymerase chain reaction is used in DNA amplification. Reason: the amplicity reactant gene is used as a selectable marker to check transformation. तर याचा आन्सर आहे 2. Both A and R are correct. Assertion and reason are correct, but our reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. तर याचं उत्तर आहे 2. Question number 121. The device which can remove particulate matter present in the exhaust from the thermal power plant is. Answer is 3. The electrostatic precipitator. Question number 122. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Cleistogamous flowers are invariably autogamous. Statement 2, Cleistogamy is disadvantageous as there is no chance for cross pollination. Answer is 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 100. Question number 123. Exoskeleton of arthropods is composed of. Answer is 3. Chitin. Question number 124. Read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. आन्सर आहे सेकंड, ए, सी अँड डी ओनली. तर पाहूया स्टेटमेंट काय आहे ते. स्टेटमेंट ए, इओक्रोमॅटिन हिज लूजली पॅक्ड क्रोमॅटिन. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, हेट्रोक्रोमॅटिन इज ट्रान्सक्रिप्शनली ॲक्टिव्ह. सी, हिस्टोन ऑक्टोमर इज wrapped by negatively charged RDNA in nucleosome. फोर्थ नंबरची स्टेटमेंट आहे, हिस्टोन आर रिच इन लायसिना अँड आर्जिनाइन. फिफ्थ नंबरची स्टेटमेंट आहे, टिपिकल न्यूक्लियोझोम कंटेन्स 400 BP ऑफ DNA हेअर. त्याचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे 2, ए, सी, डी ओनली. बी आणि ए, सी, डी, ई. बी आणि ई स्टेटमेंट हे करेक्ट नाही आहे. तर आपल्याला करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट शोधायची होती, तर आपण शोधली ए, सी आणि डी हे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आहे. 3 स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट आहेत. चला तर मग पाहूया पुढचा क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 126. द फ्लॉवर्स आर झॅगोमॉर्फिक इन मस्टर्ड, गुलमोहर, काशिया, धतुरा अँड चिली. तर चूज द करेक्ट आन्सर. तर बरोबर कोणता आहे आपला? तर बरोबर आहे सेकंड आन्सर, बी अँड सी ओनली. गुलमोहर आणि कासिया हे झायगोमॉर्फिक आहेत, झायगोमॉर्फिक फ्लॉवर्स आहेत ह्यांचे. चला तर मग पुढचा क्वेश्चन पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 127. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोड्युसेस नायट्रोजन फिक्सिंग नोड्युलस ऑन द रूट्स ऑफ आल्नस. ह्याचा आन्सर आहे 2, फ्रँकिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 128. Question number 128. Read the following statement about the vascular bundles. First statement आहे, in roots xylem and phloem in vascular bundles are arranged in an alternate manner along the difference of radii. Second statement आहे, conjoint closed vascular bundles do not possess cambium. Third statement आहे, in open vascular bundles cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. Fourth statement आहे, the vascular bundles of dicotyledonous stem possess enlarged protoxylem. Fifth statement आहे, in monocotyledonous root visually there are more than 6 xylem bundles present. Choose the correct answer. तर करेक्ट आन्सर आहे आपलं नो ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट आणि. चला तर मग पुढचा क्वेश्चन पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 129. आयडेंटिफाय द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिलेटेड टू पॉलिनेशन. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, पॉलिनेशन बाय वाटर इज क्वाइट रेअर फ्लॉवरिंग प्लांट्स. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट आहे, पॉलिनेशन बाय वाइंड इज मोर कॉमन अमॉंग साबायोटिक पॉलिनेशन. The third statement I have, flowers produce for foul odors to attract fuels and batteries to get pollinated. Fourth statement I have, moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinated agents among insects. Answer is 4. Incorrect answer is 4. Incorrect statement is 4. Moths and butterflies are the most dominant pollinating agents among insects. This is incorrect statement. 130 question. Which one of the following statement is not true regarding electrophoresis techniques? Answer is 3. The presence of not true. तर सर्व स्टेटमेंट आपण पाहूया. पहिली स्टेटमेंट आहे, द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सट्रॅक्शन ऑफ Separated DNA strands from gel is called evolution. Second statement: the separated DNA fragments are sent by using ethidium bromide. Third statement: the presence of chromogenic substrate gives blue colored DNA bands on the gel. So, fourth statement: bright orange colored bands of DNA can be observed in the gel when exposed to UV light. Answer is 3. Not true answer is 3. तर आता मग पुढचा क्वेश्चन पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 131. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ cucumber has increased manifold in receptor in the recent year. Application of which of the following phytohormones has resulted in this increased yield, as the hormone is known as produce of female flowers in the plants. तर याचा आन्सर आहे इथायलिन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 131 चा आन्सर आहे इथायलिन. थर्ड आन्सर आहे. Question number 132. What amount of energy is released from glucose during lactic acid fermentation? Answer is 4. Less than 700 energy is released from glucose during lactic acid fermentation. Question number 133. In old trees, the greater part of secondary xylem and dark brown and resistant to insect attack due to first statement: secretion of secondary metabolites and their deposition in the lumen of vessels. Second statement: deposition of organic compounds, the tannins and resins in the central layers of stem. Third statement: deposition of suberin and aromatic substances in the outer layer of stem. Statement 4: decomposition of tannins, gum, resin and aromatic substances in the peripheral layers of stem. Statement 4: fifth: presence of parenchyma cells, functionally active xylem elements and essential oils. Choose the correct statement from the question options. The correct statement आहे आपली A आणि B statement only. तर 133 चा आन्सर आहे 1. Question number 134. The appearance of recombination nodules on homologous chromosomes during meiosis characterizes. तर आन्सर आहे याचं 3. Sites at which crossing over occurs. 134 क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर आहे 3. तर मग नंतरचा क्वेश्चन पाहूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 135. गिवन बिलो आर 2 स्टेटमेंट्स. Statement 1. Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants and proposed the laws of inheritance. Statement 2. 7 characters examined by Mendel in his experiment on pea plants where seed shape and color, pod shape and color, flower position and stem height. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The answer is answer 1. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Section B. 136 question. Question number 136. Transpons can be used during which one of the following? Polymerase chain reaction, gene silencing, auto radiography, gene sequencing. तर याचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे gene silencing. Question number 137. While explaining interspecific interaction of population, plus sign is assigned for beneficial interaction, negative sign is assigned for detrimental interaction, and D for neutral interaction. Which of the following interactions can be assigned for one species, one specifies, and negative for another specifies involved in the interaction. The answer is 1. Predation. Question number 138. Which part of the fruit labeled in the given figure makes it a false fruit? ह्याचा आन्सर आहे 3. सी. थॅलामस. Question number 139. Match the plant with the kind of life cycle it exhibits. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. List 1, list 2. List 1, Spirogyra fern funaria cycles. List 2, dominant diploid sporophyte vascular plant with the highly reduced male or female gametophyte. Second, a dominant haploid free living gametophyte. Third, dominant diploid sporophyte alternating with reduced gametophytes called prothallus. Fourth statement, dominant haploid leafy gametophytes are alternating with partially dependent multicellular sporophyte. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer आहे 2. Correct answer is 2. 140 question number 140. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1, metacentric chromosome. List 2, second, acrocentric chromosome. Submetacentric telocentric chromosome. List second, centromere situated close to the end, forming one extremely short and one very long arms. Centromere at the terminal end. Centromere in the middle, forming two equal arms of chromosomes. Centromere slightly away from the middle, forming one shorter arm and one longer arm. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer I have 1. A3, metacentric chromosome. Centromere in the middle, forming two equal arms of chromosomes. Then its answer आहे 1. 140. Question number 140 चा answer आहे 1. Question number 141. Addition of more solutes in a given solution will answer आहे 2. Lower its water potential. Question number 142. Which of the following occurs due to the presence of autosome linked dominant trait? तर याचा आन्सर आहे 2. myotonic dystrophy. Question number 143. Which one of the following will accelerate phosphorus cycle? Answer is 3. Weathering of rocks. Question number 144. In the following palindromic base sequences of DNA, which one can be out easily by a particular restriction enzyme? त्याचा आन्सर आहे 2. 144 क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर आहे 2. Question number 145. Read the following statements on lipids and find out correct set of statement. Choose the correct answer from the following from the given options. The answer is 3. C, D and E. ही करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आहे. A, B आहे फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट आहे. तर पाहूया C, D आणि E स्टेटमेंट्स. Gingerly oil has lower melting point, hence remains as oil in winter. Lipids are generally insoluble in water but soluble in some organic solvents. When fatty acid is esterified with glycerol, monoglyceraldehydes are formed. तर ह्याचा आन्सर आहे 3. C, D आणि E only. Question number 146. What is the role of large bundle sheath cells found around the vascular bundles in C4 plants? तर याचा आन्सर आहे 2. To increase the number of chloroplasts for the operation of Calvin cycle. Question number 147. If a geneticist uses the blind approach for sequencing the whole genome of an organism, followed by followed by assignment of function to different segments. The methodology adopted by him is called as sequence annotation. Question number 148 given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Closely on the same chromosomes reason closely located genes sort independently. Choose the correct answer. Answer is 3. A is correct but our reason is assertion is correct but reason is not correct. So answer is 3. 149 question number. The anatomy of spring wood shows some peculiar features. Identify the correct set of statements about spring wood. तर याची करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट आहे 2. A, C, D आणि E ओनली. तर मग स्टेटमेंट पाहूया. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज द अर्ली वूड. It is higher in color, lighter in color. The spring wood, along with Ottoman wood, shows alternate concentric rings forming annual ring. It has lower density. तर आन्सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 149चा आन्सर आहे 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 150. The entire fleet of box buses in Delhi were converted into CNG from diesel, and in reference to this, which one of the following statements is false? Statement 2. Answer is 2. The same diesel engine is used in CNG buses, making the cost of conversion low. Answer is 2. 151. Section A. 151. In situ conservation refers to answer is 1. Protect and conserve the whole ecosystem. Question number 152. In which of the following animals the digestive tract has additional chambers like crop and gizzard? Question answer is 4. Pavo, Psittacus and Corvus. Question number 153. If the length of a DNA molecule is 1.1 meters, what will be the approximate number of base pairs? 3.3 into base pair of 10 to the power 8. चला तर आन्सर पाहूया. आन्सर हे 1 आहे. 153 क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर 1 आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 154. गिवन बिलो आर द टू स्टेटमेंट्स. स्टेटमेंट 1, स्टेटमेंट 2. चला तर मग पाहूया स्टेटमेंट 1. फॅटी ॲसिड्स अँड ग्लिसरॉइड्स cannot be absorbed into the blood. Statement 2. Specialized lymphatic capillaries called lacteals carry chylomicrons into lymphatic vessels and ultimately into the blood. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. So याचा आन्सर आहे 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 155. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Autoimmune disorder is the condition where body defense mechanism recognizes its own cells as foreign bodies. Statement 2. Rheumatoid arthritis is a condition where body does not attack self cells. तर आन्सर आहे 3. First is correct statement. Second is correct but in statement 1. is incorrect, statement 2 is correct, statement is 1. Answer is 3. Question number 156. Which of the following statements is true for spermatogenesis but do not hold true for oogenesis? तर ह्याचा आन्सर आहे 4, बी, सी आणि ई ओनली. तर आता मग स्टेटमेंट पाहूया. स्टेटमेंट बी, डिफरन्शिएशन ऑफ गॅमेट ऑकर्स आफ्टर द competition of meiosis. So meiosis occurs continuously in a mitotically dividing stem cells population. It is initiated by at puberty. Answer is 4. Question number 157. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion. Osteoporosis is characterized by decreased bone mass and increases chance of features. The reason. Common causes of osteoporosis: increased levels of estrogen. Most appropriate answer. Answer is 3. A is correct but R is not correct. Answer is 3. Question number 158. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Restriction endonucleases recognize specific sequence of throughout DNA known as palindromic nucleotide sequence. Statement 2. Restriction endonucleases out the DNA, cut the DNA strand a little away from the center of the pendromic site. Answer is 1. R is for correct statement second and statement 1 both. Answer is 1. Question number 159. Lips loop is a type of contraceptive used as third non-medicated IUD. 160 question. Under normal physiological conditions in human beings, every 100 milliliter of oxygenated blood can deliver -milliliter of O2 to the tissues. The answer is second, 5 milliliter. Question number 161. Given below there are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Assertion: all vertebrates and chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Reason: notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrates. The answer is 1. Both A and R are correct, but R is not a correct explanation of assertion. A. Question number 162. Which of the following cells is not connective tissue? Blood, adipose tissue, cartilage, neuroglia. The answer is 4. 163. Nitrogenous waste is nitrogenous waste is excreted in the form of pellet or paste by first answer है PO. Question number answer is 4. Question number 164. Regarding meiosis, which of the first statements is incorrect? That is the incorrect statement आहे 2. Answer is 2. Answer in S phase of meiosis, DNA replicates occurs 2. Question number 165. In an Escherichia coli strain, one gene, I gene, gets mutated and its product cannot bind the inducer molecule. If growth medium is provided with lactose, what will be the outcome? Answer is 3. ZYA genes will not be translated. Question number 166. Which of the following is the correct match for a disease and its symptoms? Answer is 1. Arthritis and inflamed joints. Question number 167. Identify the microorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule, cytosporin A. Answer is 1. Trichoderma polysporum. Trichoderma polysporum. Answer is 1. Question number 168. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Statement 2. Mycoplasma can pass through less than 1 micron filter size. Statement 2. Mycoplasma are bacteria with cell wall. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Answer is 3. Question number 169. Which of the following functions is not performed by secretions from salivary glands? Answer is 4. Digestion of disaccharides. Question number 170. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The coagulum is formed of network of threads called thrombins. Statement 2. Spleen is the graveyard of erythrocytes. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. 170 questions answer आहे 4. Question number 171. The dehydration reaction links two glucose molecules to product maltose. If the formula for glucose is C6H12O6, then what is the formula for maltose? Is 3. C12H22O11. Answer is 3. Question number 172. Which of the following statements with respect to endoplasmic reticulum is incorrect? Third. Answer is third. Prokaryotes only RER are present in. Question number 173. Which of the following is present between the adjacent bones of the vertebral column? Answer is 2. Cartilage. Question number 174. Tegmina is in cockroach arises from mesothorax. Tegmina in cockroach arises from mesothorax. Answer is 2. Question number 175. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Statement 2. Statement 1. The release of sperms into the seminiferous tubules is called spermiation. The statement 2. Spermiogenesis is the process of formation of sperms from spermatogonia. Answer the correct answer the following given below. Answer is 4. Answer is 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 175 चा answer आहे 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 176. If B. Drosophila is in a laboratory population of the 80 died during a week, the death rate in the population is larger individuals per Drosophila per week. Answer is 1. 0.1. Question number 177. Natural selection where more individuals acquire specific character value other than the mean character value leads to. Answer is 2. Directional change. Answer is 2. 178. Which of the following is not the function of conducting part of the respiratory system? Answer is 4. Provide surface for diffusion of O2 and CO2. Answer is 179. Breeding crops with filter levels of vitamins and minerals or higher proteins and healthier fats is called as answer is 3. Biofortification. Question number 180. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of animals? Answer is 1. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Question number 181. In which stage of the life oogenesis process is initiated? Answer is 2. Embryonic development stage. 181 questions answer आहे 2. Question number 182. Identify the asexual reproductive structure associated with penicillium. Answer is 2. Conidia. Question number 183. In gene therapy of adenosine deaminase ADA deficiency, the patient requires a periodic infusion of genetically engineered lymphocytes because answer is 4. Genetically engineered lymphocytes are not immortal cells. Question number 184. Select the incorrect statements with reference to mitosis. Answer is 2. Spindle fibers attached to centromere of chromosomes. Answer is 2. Question number 185. Detritivores break down dendrites into smaller particles. This process is called answer is 2. Fragmentation. Question number 186. If a color blind female marries a male man whose mother was also color blind, what are the chances of her progeny having color blindness? Answer is 400%. Question number 187. Select the incorrect statement with respect to acquired immunity. Answer is 4. Acquired immunity is non-specific type of defense present at the time of birth. Question number 188. Statements related to human insulin are given below. Which statements are correct about genetically engineered insulin? Answer is 2. B only. B statement, A peptide and B peptide, A peptide and B peptide chains of insulin were produced separately in Escherichia coli, extracted and combined by creating a disulfide bond between them. Answer is 2. Question number 189. Which one of the following statements is correct? Answer is 3. Blood moves freely from atrium to the ventricle during the joint diastole. Question number 190. Match list 1 and list 2. Correct answer from the options given below. List 1. Glycogen, globulin, steroids, thrombins. List 2. Hormones, biocatalyst, antibody storage product. That's answer आहे 4. 191. The Escherichia coli with NDS DNA are incubated in medium containing N nucleotide. After 60 minutes, how many Escherichia coli cells will have DNA totally free from N15? Answer is 60 cells. Question number 192. The recombination frequency between the genes A and C is 5%, B and C is 15%, B and D is 9%, A and B is 20%, C and D is 24%, A and D is 29%. What will be the sequence of these genes on the linear chromosomes? Sequence is 4. A, C, B, D. Question number 193. Which of the following is not the effect of parathyroid hormone? Statement. Choose the more appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 2. B, D and E statement. B statement decreases calcium ion level in blood. D statement decreases the absorption of calcium ion from the digested food. E statement increases metabolism of carbohydrates. Answer is 2. Question number 184. Which of the following is not the describable feature of a cloning vector? Answer is 4. Presence of 2 or more recognition sites. Question number 195. Which of the following statement is not true? Answer is 4. Flippers of penguins and dolphins are a pair of homologous organs. Question 196. Select the incorrect statement regarding synapses. Answer is 4. Impulse transmission across a chemical synapse is always faster than that across an electrical synapse. Question number 197, match list 1 and list 2. List 1, bronchioles, goblet cells, tendons, adipose tissue. List 2, less regular connective tissue, loose connective tissue, glandular tissue, ciliated epithelium. Correct answer is 1. 196, list 1 and list 2 with respect to methods and contraception and their respective actions. Correct answer is 2. Question number 199, which of the following is the correct statement? Autotrophic organisms classified under kingdom Monera cyanobacteria are a group of bacteria. Second statement, bacteria are exclusively heterotrophic organisms. Slime modes are saprophytic organisms classified under kingdom Monera. Mycoplasma have DNA, ribosomes, and cell walls. Answer is 1. Autotrophic organisms classified under kingdom Monera cyanobacteria are a group of. Question number 200, given below there are two statements. Statement 1, in a scrubber the exhaust from the thermal plant is passed through the electric wires to change the dust particles. Statement 2, particulate matter cannot be removed by scrubber but can be removed by an electrostatic precipitator. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Answer is 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. तर इथे आपला संपतो बायोलॉजीचा, बॉटनीचा आणि झुलॉजीचा क्वेश्चन पेपर, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहिले क्वेश्चन्स प्रिव्हियस इयरचे 2021 आणि 2022चे. ह्याच्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत 2022 आणि 2023चे प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स नीटचे. त्याच्यासाठी प्लीज या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून ठेवा. प्लीज लाईक, शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब. थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.